Welcome to Shan's Big World 2080 time. In today's video, we got a special weather statement, I guess. Potential weather commuting hazard for Washington and Fredericksburg metropolitan areas Tuesday morning. There's a potential for hazardous commuting conditions for a Tuesday morning commute. A period of light freezing rain is possible. 30% chance Tuesday morning across Washington and Fredericksburg metropolitan area. Light glaze of ice is possible in area roads. If red does materialize during the Tuesday morning rush hour, many roads could quickly turn icy. This could lead to dangerously traveling conditions, multiple accidents, and extensive delays. If commuting Tuesday morning, be aware of a possibility of significant travel disruptions. Plan ahead by allowing the extra travel time. Consider using telework option. Stay tuned for updates on this potential winter weather episode. That's not good. If roads will become icy. So thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel, everybody. Like this video, leave comments down below, and personal notification bells so you don't miss any of our videos. And leave once. You who?